Not too Cherokee. Now every day you people read this place of here. When I welcome here, not too Cherokee. In the Yoruba translator of Bible, that soul is still the word Cherokee, or he change in the Yoruba language. In the Igbo Bible, he still the Cherokee. Why? For you to know that these people don't want to tell us the truth. Because if you know the truth, you go back to what? Your ancestors. That is why I say only for the truth will do what? Will set you free. But today, I am going to show you. Are you ready to go back to your ancestors? Are you ready to go back to your ancestors? That Bible, Ucho, that is people even. Any people that Bible accepts, it can be to Ucho. They tell us anybody who ever one Bible or spoil Bible, you must die, you will do this. One of our brother who ever Matthias says that one Bible today is still doing well. Yes, of course. So I see. Go back to our roots, not only to keep out. I want to say, touch color. I want to say, Mansunaya reality. If you was something, you can learn. I want to be able but you want a land in our life. You want something in there, you are not welcome of banana. Because no banana, Baka, even you are not like I would have given a car and I have Kukuzi. I have only one now walking, Makana, and what I see, when I have home Kora. And one day I'll call again, I will not wait to each other. Makana, we will each of color. They are soon and Kiga, so one day soon and Kiga. It's not all the devil and the guy. And I'm going to tell Metro of Africa. It's very good to review. I will be one for I have Mike when we can do it. You have to say that if I need to remember. I got your father for you.